In this lesson, we want to explain fill tool. This tool is used to change the color of different parts of the image. First, select a color and click on a color you want to replace with the selected color. What happens is that the software detects the color code clicked under the mouse and tries to find all similar color pixels and swap with the selected color. This rate of process depends on the tolerance number here. The higher number, the more it processes. Press Ctrl Z for going back. Now pay attention to this part. Okay, as you can see, the color code changed till here, so the tool stops here. But if you increase the tolerance number, the tool going further and includes more color code. As you can see. Okay. In the fill section, you can select the color that you want to replace or use eyedropper tool to select desired color. Okay. Ctrl Z to going back. Let us give you another example. If you want to delete the color that we choose, in fact, in this image, we want to remove this background color, we have to do this. It's very simple. Click on in a fill color, click on a checkered box instead of selecting the color. This means that where you click with the mouse, it does not change any color. It deletes the color. Okay, as you can see, the background color is white. This is because canvas color is white by default. To change it, right-click anywhere on the screen and select the canvas color. And select the checkered box. It does not show any color now. And as you can see, the background is deleted. Okay, this is fill color, very easy and simple. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.